Perfect. What do you do? And nothing. Brain freeze. Today, we're ending that. 50 jobs. I'm a... Repeat. Speak now.
Imagine someone asks, "What do you do?"
And you want to answer confidently, I'm a teacher. Or I'm a doctor.
Today, 50 jobs with "I'm a" sentences. Repeat out loud, pause the video, speak. Perfect for beginners. Let's go.
Repeat after me. I'm a teacher. I teach students in a school. I'm a doctor. I help sick people and give medicine. I'm a nurse. I take care of patients in hospitals. I'm a waiter. I serve food and drinks in restaurants. I'm a chef. I cook delicious meals in kitchens. I'm a receptionist. I welcome guests and answer phones. I'm a driver. I drive cars, buses, or taxis. I'm a police officer. I keep people safe and protect the law. I'm a firefighter. I put out fires and rescue people. I'm a pilot. I fly airplanes.
Pause. Say your favourite from 1 to 10 with "I'm a..." Next. I'm an artist. I create paintings and drawings. I'm a musician. I play instruments or sing songs. I'm an actor. I perform in movies or theatre. I'm a writer. I write books, articles, or stories. I'm a photographer. I take beautiful pictures. I'm an engineer. I design and build machines or bridges. I'm a programmer. I write code for computers and apps. I'm a mechanic. I repair cars and machines. I'm an electrician. I fix electrical systems. I'm a plumber. I repair pipes and water systems.
Business jobs. I'm a manager. I lead a team and make decisions. I'm a salesperson. I sell products to customers. I'm a shop assistant. I help customers in stores. I'm a cashier. I take money at the checkout. I'm a banker. I work with money and accounts. I'm an accountant. I manage financial records. I'm a lawyer. I give legal advice and defend people. I'm a journalist. I write news stories. I'm a marketer. I promote products and brands. I'm a designer. I create logos, websites, or clothes?
Helping people, jobs. I'm a dentist. I take care of teeth. I'm a pharmacist. I give medicine in a pharmacy. I'm a scientist. I do experiments and research. I'm a librarian. I work in a library with books. I'm a translator. I change words from one language to another. I'm a tour guide. I show tourists around cities. I'm a flight attendant. I help passengers on planes. I'm a hairdresser. I cut and style hair. I'm a cleaner. I keep places tidy and clean. I'm a farmer. I grow food and raise animals.
Final 10. I'm a builder. I construct houses and buildings. I'm a gardener. I take care of plants and gardens. I'm a veterinarian. I treat sick animals. I'm a coach. I train sports teams or athletes. I'm a security guard. I protect buildings and people. I'm a postal worker. I deliver letters and packages. I'm a barber. I cut men's hair. I'm a baker. I make bread and cakes. I'm a barista. I make coffee in cafes. I'm a student. I study and learn new things. Now you pause and say your real job or dream job. I'm a job. What you do. I. Verb. Speak for 20 to 30 seconds about your job day. No stopping.
Record if you can. Practice daily. You'll sound natural fast.
Thanks for practicing with Listen and Speak. Like if you said, I'm a today, subscribe for more.
Keep listening and keep speaking.